built the system with innovation and adaptation in mind. What the market demands now from our technology might be different tomorrow, might be different 6 months, a year, 5 years from now. We wanted to build something where we can adapt as the market changes and the needs of operators and owners change.
I get a chance to sit with the support team to see what they're doing, what the customers are experiencing. In addition to that, I also get to sit with the sales team where I can view what customers actually need, like the features that we are building, how much it is affecting their business. But knowing what people really want matters to you because you can design it in that way, you can code it in that way.
Still to this day, we send all of our employees out to storage facilities, at some point in time so that they can see a real life experience of how a storage facility operates and what their pain points are. So typically when somebody's searching for self-storage, they're going through some kind of life event change. And whenever they're going through that, it's nice if you can help make that a better experience. So, I'd like to think the tools we provide make it easier for them to find what they're looking for. And in terms of the owners, we try to provide business intelligence tools that allow owners of single or multiple facilities to manage their businesses remotely and understand what's going on with the data in their business.
What it brings to the table is it allows you to track your stores, it allows you to track who's coming in, it allows you to understand where's your money going to. It's not just you keeping a ledger at a store where you have to trust your manager to make sure they're putting the entrance in. You have full visibility into that. And so when you don't have that software aspect, you don't know what you're missing out on because you can't see it.
We are trying to think of what hasn't been done in this industry, and we're trying to create tools and technology that can bridge gaps. Our atmosphere is mostly filled with people that are engineers or UX designers or people that are truly focused on building quality technology. And so when we pair that with our desire to understand what people in this industry need, we're able to come up with technology solutions that are superior to a lot of the other vendors.
Our software does have a lot of unique and cool features that come with it. Things that a lot of other times, it requires another vendor to go out and add on texting, or if you want to do email tracking, or if you want to automate mailing. A lot of things like that, traditionally require another third-party vendor. And so we've been able to bring a lot of that stuff all under one roof into the software and directly integrate it, including e-sign and some other things.
Behind every great platform is a great team, and I think the technology itself can stand alone and speak for itself, but I think the people that are driving behind it are really important. The fact that it's cloud-based really proves on how great our team is, how fast we can get different tickets out, and I think that how we do it is the best. I think we start from the clients and the client feedback. We never assume anything. It's always based on a need, the communication from the client to the account manager to the development team, to the marketing team. We always are building things based on client feedback. And we rely on that, and that's basically been the foundation for our entire company in providing the feedback and knowing what pieces we need to connect. And hearing that firsthand from clients that are actually using it, I think has really helped us achieve that next level.
First and foremost, our software is modern and it's easy to use. And we strike a good balance of being, again, easy to use, but also being robust enough to where some of the larger operators use us, and then we also work with small mom and pops. So I think it's listening to both ends of the spectrum and coming up with a great balance to serve both levels of clients there. It's 2017, right? And it's all about making things more efficient, faster, and that's what we do.